about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hey there, family and friends. We're so glad you could join us on this big adventure. We're actually headed to Maine, but we made a little stop here in Gettysburg to spend the night. And we thought we would ride around and look at some of the sights and take y'all along with us. This is actually our third trip to Gettysburg. The first time we came in 2001. And then the second time we were here in 2013 for the 150th anniversary of the Gettysburg battlefield. So yes, we are headed to Maine, and we were here 2 years ago, as some of y'all know, and we love the New England area. We love Maine. and we didn't get to see a lot of things. So this time we thought, well, why not go again and, check out some of the other sites that we didn't get to see. So we're bringing y'all along with us for that too. So we're here just hanging out at the hotel right now, and then we're gonna ride around and see some sights. So let's go. Massachusetts. And we are staying at the Cozy Motel. And it is super cozy. And this is the little river that runs by our motel. He ran. Like we took a wrong turn somewhere.